The lost cases in the judiciary, I think it is important for me to say that I am not able to comment on why specific cases are lost unless I am seized with the information. But I also think that it is the responsibility of the Attorney General to put in place mechanisms to mitigate loss. And where loss is occasioned deliberately by an officer, to take action or to recommend action. The 2/3 gender rule. The Constitution provides that in all appointive and elective posts, one gender should not be more than 1/3, 2/3. I think this is an issue that has been litigated. This is an issue that is before this House. And I would be cautious in commenting on it unless I see what is before Parliament and what is in the Office of the Attorney General and the initiative. But I know that in the Office of the Attorney General, in the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, we have reached the threshold. Legal education and CLE. This is a rowdy place. Very, very rowdy. Very rowdy. And I say that because